Welcome back to Keys to Product Creation Success. And in this video, we are going to be talking about the tips for reselling a PLR course. Now, obviously, you have PLR to this course, and what you want to do is you want to resell it. So let's talk about some of the things that you'll need to think about as you resell a PLR course. Now, what you want to do in every case when you have PLR is you want to take it and make it unique in some way. Now, in some cases, some of you might be using the PLR to bolster a product that you already have, and that's a great way to use PLR. But some of you may want to take this course and then turn it into something that you want to be unique, that you can put your stamp on it, that you can make it yours. And you can always do that by adding extras. Mind maps is a great way to do that. Sales videos, giving your customer the opportunity to sell the product. Doing done for you webinars, PDF guides. Always adding to the course in ways to make sure that you repurpose the content and for you to give the customer every possible medium that they might want or they might need in order to get a great experience. So always make the course unique in some way in terms of your offering. Give your course a USP, and that's one way to think about this. What is it that you can add to a PLR course that people cannot get elsewhere? Now, some of you are going to want to have a sales page created, and it's going to be a good idea to have that sales page outsourced. You want to make sure that the look and feel of your page makes people want to buy, and sometimes that is not necessarily going to run in the same it's going to run in the same way that a person who actually creates a product can actually create the graphics to go with it. There are people that you're going to be competing against who already have their pages outsourced. You want to make sure that at the very least that your page is going to be what people expect, and you can do that by either having that sales page design outsourced, or you can use a page builder like Optimize Press. Okay, you want to make your bonuses prominent on a squeeze page. So in other words, when your customer when your customer actually comes to get your product, make sure that they can get the bonuses and make sure that they have a squeeze page where you can either opt in or they can make a decision about buying the product. Okay, make sure that when you actually deliver the product to them, this kind of goes back to one of the points we made earlier about one of the profit leaks. Add more products on the download page. You know you didn't create this product, but that doesn't mean you can't have other products available. If you have other PLR products, get them up and running, get a buy button on them, and get links to them onto the download page. It is a way for you to generate extra cash on every PLR launch or every product launch. Okay, and then provide unique bonuses, right? So don't provide the same bonuses that were given to you. Provide something that is, again, uniquely yours and that you know will matter to your buyers. And of course, you want to change the title of the course if possible. So don't use the very same title as it was when you bought the PLR package. Definitely change the title to something else. Don't use the same domain. Change the look if possible. And again, this might be beyond you if you're not a graphics person or you don't want to outsource it. But certainly, if you can, outsource the graphics and then change the title of the course. Okay, typically a PLR product is going to come with source files, and you want to do that and make sure that you have your title, your stamp on that course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.